Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I am going to be sharing an apple crumble recipe. So sit back, relax and watch me do this. Thank you. So I'm going to be using a pie dish and ramekin bowls. For the pie dish, I would need a base. That's what I'm starting with now. There I have 250 grams of flour, 12 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and now 125 grams of butter. I'm just going to mix, make sure it's like in breadcrumbs form. I add in 80 ml of water and bring all of the dough together. When that is done, I'll just set aside. In the refrigerator it goes. Now I am starting with 5 apples. So if you are not using a pie dish, you can just go with the apples first of all. You don't need a dough base. I'll just peel these apples. These are very sweet apples. It can either be green, it can be red, it could be the golden apple, but I'm using red apples. They are very sweet. So when I'm done peeling, I'll cut them into small sizes. You can cut them into even bigger sizes, depends on how you would prefer it. But because I'm using ramekins, I want them in small sizes. I have by the side there lemon water, cold lemon water, so that the apples don't turn brown. All done peeling now, I am adding in a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. After adding the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, I would mix all of this together, and then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of corn starch as the binder. I love this pastry because it's always filled with so much of flavor, and I love the sweet and sour balance as well. So the cornstarch goes in now, we'll mix that and then we are going to set aside. If you've watched to this point, kindly give me a thumbs up, like this video, I truly will appreciate that. So now in a separate bowl, I added 160 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar. You can use brown sugar, which is like ideal, but I didn't have brown sugar, that's why I'm using white sugar. I added salt, a teaspoon. I just mix all of that together. All we're doing now is the topping, that's the crumble topping. I use margarine here, 100 grams of margarine, but you can also use butter. So now we're going to mix and make sure all of this forms a bread crumb-like shape, okay? Not smooth, but breadcrumbs is what we're going to achieve with this crumble. Depends on your taste. You can make it like big crumbles, or you can make them into small crumbles. If you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please click the subscribe button, be a part of this family. I truly will appreciate having you here, and turn on post notification to all, so whenever I drop a video, you get notified. Thank you. So now I have 3 ramekin bowls. To the ramekin bowls, we don't need a base. All you have to do is just put in your apple mixture, just like what I am doing, and then we are going to top it up with the crumble we made, the last one we just made, the bread crumbles. Okay, not bread crumbles, you understand what I mean, like the flour crumbles we made into bread crumbs. We'll just top it up at this point, and I'm already preheating my oven at 180 Celsius, and we're going to be baking until the top turns brown for about 20 to 25 minutes. So the topping also is to your preference. You can fill it up with a lot of crumble toppings, or you can just level it up by covering the apples and leaving it as it is. But I love crumble a lot, so I add in like a lot on it. So if you don't want to use a pie dish, just fill up all of your ramekin bowls with the apples, top it up with the crumble, and then put it straight in the oven. But I'm using a pie dish, and I've already buttered the pie dish because I want the pie to come out very smoothly and easily. Now to the first dough we made earlier, which we set aside. I brought it out from the refrigerator. Now I'm just going to now roll it very flat and then cover up the pie dish with it. You can skip this process like I said earlier. Please click the subscribe button, show me your support, and I also want to say thank you so much to all who have been watching my videos. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I do not take you guys for granted. Thank you for your love and support. When I'm done, I pour in the rest of the apple filling, and then we are going to pour the toppings now. That's the crumble topping. We just pour it up on it. And this dessert can be served with ice cream or even with your custard. And into the oven it goes. It's also out now, and my kitchen smells beautiful, full of sweet pastry flavor. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in another video. Bye bye.